This shit delish. He's going to get the green jacket. Good feeling, good vibe. Good feeling, go high.
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I picked up my camera and thought कि vlog करते हैं since you all really enjoy watching them and I love making them. So it's currently 12 o'clock and I still haven't had my breakfast, so I have to eat breakfast quickly because मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. My stomach is literally growling. Now I've got a very random breakfast. I've got a paratha, बैगन का भरता, some almonds and mango chia seed pudding. But mango season is ending. That is sad. Now this is the video that I was just talking about. It's like a Q&A and I like alongside that I just created this makeup look. I think it's such a cute makeup and I've explained it very easily. So definitely check it out. I was just brushing my hair and I am having such a terrible hair fall. Like, is anyone out there facing the same thing? If it's just me, like I'm literally scared I'll go bald or something if the hair fall continues at this rate, man. Yeah, ek to this weather, this humid rainy season also like adds to the hair fall. मुझे तो बहुत hair fall होता है इस time पर. Also, you all often ask me कि मेरा hair care routine क्या है, guys. I suck at hair care routine or doing anything for my hair. The only thing that I do after washing my hair is I apply the serum from Matrix. I'll just take like a couple of pumps of it and apply it all like in my hair ends, and I like to run my fingers through my hair while applying it.
Dedicated work ethic, conscious concentration. We claim to aim, maintain the practice. Let me break down barriers, egoic distractions. Stoic with atonement, holding microphone ritual, decibel distribution, proven groovy and critical. Criminal attention, theft, success.
Also, I promised you I'll show you my outfit. So I'm wearing this like these black shorts that I got from H&M. Then I'm wearing a white shirt on top of it. Now you must be wondering, Dikshita, why are you so dressed up at home? इतना मन कर रहा है इस बीच white shirt पहनने का. And obviously I am just staying at my home. कहीं जाना नहीं हो रहा है, तो I thought कि कहाँ पहनो. So I decided I'll wear it at home only today. And since I'm vlogging, I'll wear it for you guys so I can look cute for you guys. So this is my outfit. This white shirt is from Sarojini. Shorts are from H&M, as I said before. Love these shorts, love the fitting. Also, since the shorts are a little fitted, white shirt uske साथ ऐसा balance लेके आ रहा है to the outfit. And to style my shirt, I have just like tucked it on one side and दूसरा side I let it out as it is. I cuffed the sleeves. And this is the fit for the day. Now I think the outfit is cute, but it's not complete yet. I think I need to add some sort of jewelry to it. I need some gold element to complete it. So I'm thinking I'll add maybe like a necklace. So let me like select something. But then do I want to wear a necklace at home? Or do I want to wear something like which bracelet type of like this cuff? Yeah, I think I'll go with a bracelet first. I'll wear like 2 of these and then maybe a simple chain.
Rally with your firefight, call and response, sophisticated and crude, educated and when done, put it right in the mood. Orgasmic and organic, organizing the chaos. Working for the track like whatever you say, boss. Really give a shit, don't ever care how they floss. Good luck with your hygiene, I don't bite, I stay.
It's been a couple of hours and now I have to do one of the main tasks of today. So can you see there's this drawer set here. Wait, let me show you properly. So I got this set from Amazon, but it's actually from Miniso, and I bought this to keep all my jewelry in it. Right now my jewelry is all over the place. Some of it is kept, like most of it actually is kept in these, like this entire, like all these boxes. Then there are some in these boxes, in यहाँ पे नीचे boxes है उसमें पड़ी हुई है. There is like all my necklaces are here. ये तो यहीं पे रहेंगे. I'm not gonna change this because it's easier to hang them. And then inside this Nike वाला box, इसके अंदर भी मेरी पूरी jewelry पड़ी हुई है. So it's like not organized at all, as you can see. And बहुत गंदे तरीके से रखा हुआ है सब कुछ. So I wanted to organize all of this in one entire, like one single box. So I bought this. I actually bought this क्योंकि पहले, if you remember, I bought this drawer set from Miniso and I keep all my makeup in it. एंड मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, लाइक इट्स लुकिंग सो क्लीन, यू कैन सी हेयर, एंड सिर्फ एक ड्रॉर सेट के अंदर सब कुछ है. सो आई गॉट दिस वन दिस टाइम. इसके अंदर अगेन 3 ड्रॉर्स हैं. ऑल्सो हाउ क्यूट आर दीज नॉब्स, इसमें से वुडन नॉब्स हैं, मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगे. एंड आई ऑल्सो गॉट सम बॉक्सेस फ्रॉम Amazon टू ऑर्गेनाइज माई ज्वेलरी. दिस अ स्मॉल बॉक्स फॉर मे बी माई ईयरिंग्स और समथिंग. देन okay, this is not actually jewelry का box. I got these claw clips from Amazon. आजकल ये बड़े like super big claw clips बहुत ज़्यादा trend में. It's again the same 90s Y2K trend that's coming back. So I got like set of 3. एक मैंने अभी लगा भी रखा है like in my hair. I'm pretty sure you can't see it, but अभी I have pulled my hair back with one of these. I really like them. I link this also in the description, and I think I can even use this box. तो मैं उसको हटा के ये box भी use कर लूँगी. Then there's this big ass box to store a lot of things here, and there is one more box. So I got all of these from Amazon. I'll link them for you in the description. Even this set is from Amazon, like this drawer, whatever this is called, it's from Amazon. So now let me quickly take out all my jewelry and we'll sort it together. So I've bought all the boxes from my room, and we'll be doing this jewelry organization in my living room because I'm watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine while doing my work, and I thought कि ठीक है यहाँ पे vlog कर लेते हैं. So I have like most of my earrings and stuff in these boxes. Then there are these boxes, this big one with all my traditional jewelry. So let's start. ऑल्सो लेट मी शो यू समथिंग. तो ये जो बॉक्स है इसके अंदर जो ये डिवाइडर्स हैं जिसके थ्रू छोटे छोटे कंपार्टमेंट्स बने हुए हैं, दीज डिवाइडर्स आर एक्चुअली रिमूवेबल. तो अगर कोई भी कंपार्टमेंट को बड़ा करना है टू स्टोर समथिंग बिग, यू कैन जस्ट लाइक रिमूव दीज, स्लाइड दीज आउट, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज क्वाइट जीनियस. आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद ऑल द इयरिंग्स फर्स्ट. This looks so organized, like oh my god, I am loving this, like loving this situation here, and the organizer in me, the clean freak in me is so happy. One box down, I don't know how many more to go, so let's continue.
Beautiful motivation, poetry, innovation, dedicated work ethic, conscious concentration. We claim the aim, maintain the practice. Let me break down barriers, egoic distraction.
Before I show you the final result, do tell me in the comments if you want to see a jewelry collection video. Like I would love to do a jewelry collection video. Right now I won't show you everything in depth. I'll just like basically show you मैंने कहाँ पे क्या रखा हुआ है. But if you want a jewelry collection, tell me. This is the biggest box that I got, and इसमें मैंने अपनी mostly सारी ethnic jewelry store करी है, and there's a little bit of Indian like western earrings here, like hoops and stuff. This one has most of my like western pieces. So there are some earrings, some pearl earrings, there are hoops, and some safety ring wale earrings. There's the statement earrings that I really like, but they're so damn heavy. I cannot wear them for like maybe more than 15 minutes. Then there's a necklace here. Again ये removable है इसके dividers, तो यहाँ पे बड़ा सा necklace के लिए हो गया. This pearl necklace, then some more necklaces. This one is the tiniest here, you can see the size. ये like छोटे छोटे studs and छोटे necklaces के लिए मैंने रखा हुआ है. So again I've got a few necklaces here, like these 5 compartments are necklaces. मैंने single necklaces रखे हैं ताकि वो साथ में ज़्यादा tangle ना हो. There are some rings here, and कुछ छोटे छोटे studs हैं, and a couple of like random things. Next here, these are all the necklaces I've discarded because ये सारे as you can see have turned really bad, like they have tarnished, तो ये सब फेंकना है. इस बॉक्स में यहाँ पे मेरी कुछ hoop earrings हैं. Now this is the only thing that I'm not sure about whether I want to give them away or keep them. Like I don't wear these kind of hoops now, but I don't know, like would I like need them in the future किसी outfit के लिए या किसी videos के लिए. Also do you remember like 2018-19 में ये super exercise वाले hoops कितने ज़्यादा trend में थे. I can't even believe we used to wear these. Like look at the size of this hoop here. Oh my god, We used to wear these guys. And now finally, do you remember ये इसमें पहले कितने सारे necklaces थे? I think I have like thrown away more than 50% of the necklaces. So these ones are what I currently have. Since these days I'm really liking silver jewelry, तो ज़्यादा इसमें silver necklaces हैं. There are few gold ones and ये वाला like I might still throw this one क्योंकि ये भी थोड़ा tarnished लग रहा है. So yes, this is like kinda my jewelry collection right now. If you want me to do a detailed video, tell me in the comments. Now I'll store everything inside this.
Stoic with atonement, holding microphone ritual, decibel distribution, proven groovy and critical. Criminal attention, theft, success, not an attempt. Implementing sign language, got Tourette's and I'm deaf. Deafening, not finite, clear than some hindsight. High beam swerving. Rally with your firefight, call and response, sophisticated and crude, educated and when done, put it right in the mood.
This was the biggest task of the day and इसको मैं इतने दिनों से like इसको ऐसे टाल रही थी कि कल करूँगी परसों करूँगी. I think I got this entire drawer set a few weeks back or maybe like a couple of months back and ये ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था. But finally it's done and it all looks so good and organized. पहले मेरी jewelry ऐसे पता नहीं कौन कौन सी जगह में कितने boxes के अंदर थी, but now it's all like in one place and I know कि मुझे किस piece के लिए कौन से box में देखना है. I think this is going to make like choosing jewelry while making styling videos or in general like very easy for me. So yay! So let me show you something I just found. I made this matka, like I drew on it when I was in college. So there was some sort of matka drawing competition and I just found it, like it was there in my room but मुझे अभी दिखाया. I thought I'll show it. Obviously इसका colors काफ़ी ख़राब हो चुके हैं क्योंकि ये गीला हो गया था एक बार. But I love how vibrant these two colors are. My head is going crazy right now, so let's ignore this. I actually am feeling so tired right now. I don't want to work, but I have a very important task left जो कि आज complete करना ही है. So this is regarding Dee's Closet, which is my own Instagram thrift store. And recently, like a few days back, there was a new drop there, and you guys this time killed it on the drop. Not even kidding, within like a few hours almost everything got like almost everything was out of stock and मैंने I think 14 चीज़ें डाली थी, उनमें से 12 चीज़ें बिक चुकी हैं. There's still 2 more items left. There's this white satin cami top. This one is such a beautiful top and it's not even used. इसमें tags अभी भी attached हैं, तो ये एक बचा हुआ है. And I think there is a denim shirt left. So लेकिन उसके अलावा बाकी सब कुछ sold out हो गया. And today I have to package everything ताकि मैं उनको ship कर सकूँ जल्दी ही. So that is the task that we are going to do right now. So these are all the clothing pieces. इसमें सब कुछ बिक चुका है except for this denim shirt. As I said before, I'm feeling very lazy right now, but well, ये तो करना ही है. So let's do this. Also, let me show you the packaging that I use for these closets. And all the packaging material is kept here. So ये हैं कुछ बड़े flyers, plastic flyers. I am right now using plastic packaging, but I am searching for an alternative, a cardboard or a paper packaging option. तो मैं अभी ढूंढ रही हूँ. I'm looking for a few vendors who can sell me cardboard packaging in Haldwani as well. And ये हैं the main packaging of these closets, which are these really cute pink and white plastic flyers again from Amazon. ये सारी चीज़ें Amazon की हैं. And I have tissue paper actually. मैं tissue paper में सब कुछ wrap करती हूँ, but I think I forgot to bring it, so let me quickly get that. Got it. Now let me stop wasting my time, play something on Netflix and start with the packaging everything, and y'all enjoy this time lapse.
Yeah. Long wave, long wave. Yeah. Long wave, nostalgia. Long wave, envelopes on baselines and the ripples that we made. Yeah. Well played, well played. Yeah. Well played from golf claps to stadiums. The audience of one, wonders never cease to be made. Now change is underlined, italics written in bold, but the masses like asses confused, let it go. Behold the unbeholden, we purveyors of the moment. We don't own it cause we share it, independent, we declare it.
And it's done. I have to just add labels on it, like with your address and everything, and then they're ready to be shipped. Also, wow, I've made a real mess here, so gotta clean it now. But before that, let me show you something interesting. So you remember in my last H&M sale haul, मैंने एक dusky pink lilac color के pants लिए थे, but वो मेरे को tight हो रहे थे. I got them in 42, but somehow 42, which is usually my size, was a little tight on me, so I had to return them obviously. So after a few days, they actually came back on stock 44 में, and I had to order them. So I actually got it, and I received it quite a while back. Like I think 2-3 हफ्ते हो चुके हैं, but मैंने अभी तक ये पैकेज खोला नहीं है. I don't know, I totally forgot about it, and I just saw it and I thought कि ठीक है, let's open it together. Dude, the color, this color, like it gets me every time. I love that color. They fit so nicely and they look so good. I'll just show you in a second. But it's official that these pants, I think, run a size small. If you ever think of getting them, I think you should like size up in these. And now, let me show you what they look like and how good is this combination, like white or lilac ka, and especially this shirt is looking so good with these pants. I just want to like go out somewhere now. I am glad that I decided to repurchase it because I love them so much. I was feeling so lazy, कुछ करने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा उसके बाद, तो मैंने सब कुछ रूम साफ करने के बाद, which is clean now, I just like video call my friends and हम गप्पे मार रहे थे, and I thought कि like I'll finally end the vlog. I actually was thinking I'll cook something and show you the recipe, but अब बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा, so maybe next time. And yes, that's it. Bye guys, love you.